Good morning to parents and little juniors. I'm from American Lifestyle DNK School System, Canal View. Today date is 8th July. Let me tell you what we have to do today. Our revision is start. We will do Jollyphonic second group, which letter are C, K, E, H, R. We will revise the letter sounds, writing patterns, and vocabulary from our book. Before the starting this work, let me tell you something you have to read aloud. Okay? Dear students, you have to revise all the vocabulary words with me. Look at the page. This letter is the C. Sound of C. K. 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 Okay, now look at the vocabulary objects. There are objects. First one is a car. You have to find k sound in these objects. Okay, where you have to find, you will tell me. I'm reading the first one. Car. Car. Yes, tell me. Do you hear k sound? Yes, beginning sound is k. Okay, k, car. Look at the next one. Cat. Cat. Do you hear k sound? Cat. Yes, let's start with the sound k, k, cat. Okay, look at the next one. Bat. Bat. Beginning sound is b, b. Next one. Camel. Camel. Do you hear k sound? K, camel. Good job. Next one. K, candle. K, candle. Read aloud. K, candle. Yes. K, candle. Okay, next one. Plate. Plate. P, plate. Beginning sound is p. Okay, now again tell me only k sounds objects. K, car. Read with me. K, cat. K, camel. K, candle. Well done. Move on the next one. K, k. K, k. Okay, now we will find k sound objects. Okay, first of all we read all the objects name, picture name, and then we will revise again k sounds objects. Okay, look, put the finger on first one. K, kite. K, kite. Beginning sound k, k, kite. Look at the next one. Insect. I, insect. Beginning sound I, insect. Good. Okay, aeroplane. Airplane. Airplane. Good. Next one. Look at this. What is this? Window. Window. Beginning sound window. Next one. Kangaroo. 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 Okay, next one. Cattle. Cattle. Okay, now read sounds objects. Kite. Read aloud. Kangaroo. Cattle. Good job. Move on the next page. E. E. The sound of the letter E is very short. See the sound? Good. Okay, now read the objects. Look at the first picture. Egg. 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 Drum. 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 Moon, moon. Elephant, elephant, elephant. Email, email. Elbow, elbow. Okay, now find the S sounds objects. Okay, do you know the sound of letter E should be E as like a letter? Okay, email, email. Okay, now read the objects with the sound of E. Egg, elephant, elbow, email. Good job. This letter H. Do you know the sound of this letter? Okay, read the object's name. First one is, put the finger on it. Horse, horse. Hands, hands. Nest, nest. Hammer, hammer. Hat, hat. Top, top. Now revise sounds objects. Read aloud. Horse, hand, hammer, hat. Good. Okay, look at the letter. This letter is, anyone guess? Yes, R. In sound of this letter, R, R. Good. Okay, read the object's name. Rocket, strawberry, ring, mat, rain, rat. Again, we will revise sounds objects. Read aloud. Rocket, rain, ring, rat. Good. Dear kids, look at this page. We will revise it. First of all, put the finger on the first picture. Yes. Can you tell me the which picture is it? Pin. Pin. Do you hear the beginning sound? Which is the beginning sound? P. P. Very good. Pin. 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 P. E. Pin. Well done. Okay. We will find the later sounds. P. E. Pin. We will match it and then we will write here the name of this picture. Pin. While we are writing the letter P, we will say the sound, okay? And then E, then and it makes a word pin. Got it? Okay. Move on the next one. Yes, guess the picture of ink. Good. Ink. Beginning sound E. E. Ink. Ink. E. K. Ink. We will write it E. K. Ink. Okay. Next one. Nut. Nut. Beginning sound. Find it. Nut. we will write here net. Net. Okay, look at the next one. Cap. Cap. K. Beginning sound. K. K. A. P. Cap. K. A. P. Cap. Okay, next one. Cat. K. Cat. K. Cat. K. A. T. Cat. We will write as K. A. T. Cat. Good. Last picture is, put the finger on it. Pen. Well done. Okay. Beginning sound. P. A. N. Pen. P. A. N. Pen. Okay, you have to practice this page in your notebook. Dear kids, now we will revise the writing pattern of these letters. I will tell you which letters are sky letter, which are grass letter, and which are root letters. As you know, all capital letters we write in first 3 lines. Okay. Now, in these letters, I Sikh is a grass letter, Kekh is sky letter, E is also grass letter, H sky letter, and R is the grass letter. Okay, sky letters touch the first line, sky line. Okay, and grass letters we write in middle 2 lines. Look at here, it's your notebook. You have to practice on this. You have to write date, in the center revision, REV, and day Wednesday. Okay, then you will practice of writing these letters. Got it? Okay, now I'm sharing the link of some videos you have which will be helpful to you. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.